What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. January 24th, 2025. Up, and away. So we have pretty much gone straight up from 58.09 to 61.56. Tapped overnight. That's our recent high. 81.84.75, I think it is our all-time high in ES. So we're about 30 points away. 70 is going to be your next major level up above that, then new all-time highs, and then probably 6,200. We'll look at the pivots in a second. First down, this 36.34 level is going to be very important. We get below that, that's your 60-day point of control. Then we can possibly look at downside for stop being 20. Possibly this 5100, 5104, more likely this 93.90, 94.90, and then 70, I believe. I'll look at that other level. These are actually old levels, so I have the 70 pre-marked here, coincides with the R1 at 67, so 61, 67, 70 is going to be important. 87 is right there on your R2, and then R3 is 62.20, but I'm looking at 6,200 even first if we were to continue up. I would assume we're ready for a pullback after 8 straight days up, but I don't know. 36.34 must break. I have the 20 mark down, 15, 13 is going to be an interesting level, and then 103, 6100, 6103. 82 is where my green line starts. I'd watch that. 62 is the other pivot down. Here's your 34, 36 in plain view. 56 obviously is marked here. And then I do have 62, but I really like that 70. So 67, 70 is going to be incredibly important. 15.12 is your next stop down if we break that 34. Again, possibly we could park at 20, but I'm really looking at that one. 88, and then we got 82 is your pivot, but more so that 88, 89 level, and then 70. 62 is your S3. So I don't know if they're going to even allow this to get down. Every dip down has been reversed hard. So we are still in buy the dip mode, but to get below or to start to see some pullback, we have to get below that 36, 34 level, preferably below that 12.15. So we will see where this day goes. I don't know, man. This is pretty crazy on the ride up. I mean, it's just been, we dip down here and then straight up. This is a weekly chart. So if you're playing the box game, you're basically 5,800 to 6,150. So that's kind of the bigger macro range that needs to break. We are at the upper echelon of the 6,150. If that breaks, then we start to see more upside. If not, we revert down to 5,800. That 5,800 in the long term, that block needs to break for us to see anything come down. I think the euphoria is a bit much right now, but we will see how that all transpires. Huge cash gap, we got a double. So 74 to 57 was the old one, and then 74.92 basically to 60, 50, 49 is your new one. That was the cash gap. So this last, not yesterday, day before, ramped up on two different. So not only did it not fill and it skipped the old cash gap from the upside, it created a larger one. So we have a double cash gap. That means that 75, 60, 75 is going to be crazy important. I would look for them to defend that. If we were to get through that, 60.57 is your next stop, and then 60.50. 60.50 would pretty much clear it. So we will see if they park it. My guess is if we were to come down, they're going to park it. Again, we made a new all-time high at 61.18. Congratulations. But here's your straight up. Euro's made an incredible reversal. dip below the 02, up just poked above the 05. So that's a massive reversal in currencies. The 04 needs to hold on the way back down, and then other than that, I'm looking at the 05 happen, and then this 1062. So Nvidia's up 147. Everything's glorious, but everything's red today. So SPOs are down 9, NASDAQ down 31, Dow down 100, and Russell down 6 points. We have PMI at 945, manufacturers PMI, and then UMISH at 10. Those are both market movers, so we could see some action. Again, 34, 36 ES is really all I'm watching. Below it, I'm bearish. Above it, I'm bullish. I will be around all day. Stay safe.